Tired of appointment scheduling headaches? Then stay tuned as we pit Vagaro against Acuity to find the perfect solution to streamline your business. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. Vagaro boasts a tiered pricing structure, charging per user, which can be cost-effective for smaller teams. Keep an eye out for add-on features that can impact the final price. Acuity, on the other hand, uses a plan-based system. Each plan offers different features and appointment volume, so carefully consider your needs before committing. Now, for the nitty-gritty ease of use, Vagaro's interface is packed with features like appointment booking, client management, and even marketing tools, making it a one-stop shop. But all those features can sometimes feel overwhelming. Acuity shines in its customization options. It seamlessly integrates with other platforms and allows for in-depth appointment customization. This makes for a smooth booking experience for clients. However, you might need to integrate third-party apps for more comprehensive business management. So, who wins? It depends on your priorities. Vagaro is great for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution, while Acuity excels in streamlined scheduling and integrations. Weigh your needs and choose the platform that best fits your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful comparisons.